Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the marketing tab of your Shopify store and learning how to navigate your marketing campaigns and your store automations. So we're starting off in the Shopify admin and we're going to click over to the left sidebar and choose marketing. Now when we choose marketing, we're going to get to the overview marketing tab, and this gives us all the insights on all the marketing campaigns that are running for our Shopify store. So this data is dependent on you connecting your marketing channels to your Shopify store. So in this customer's case, we have email marketing tied to this store. We have their Google sales channel tied to this store. So Shopify has all that data to show over here. And up here we have kind of the breakdown of online store sessions. We can change the date range for the marketing campaign and make comparisons. This shows us the conversion rates, the average order values, and down here we can see the sales and information broken down by each individual channel. So the Google channel is where our marketing campaigns are coming from. We have direct sales, just the Shopify channel. One of our campaigns is an abandoned cart campaign. So an abandoned cart campaign is when a user comes to the store, puts something in their cart, and leaves. So a common type of marketing is sending an email to that customer asking them to come back to your store. So we have that campaign and the conversion rates that are tied to that campaign, the average order values, and how many first-time customers we got out of that campaign. We can also see a more detailed report, which would take us back to the report section, or you can see a channel report over here. Continuing down, you have specific details to other marketing campaigns. So this is our abandoned checkout campaign, whether it's active or inactive, any sales attributed to it. Here are some recommended marketing apps from Shopify and some marketing videos from Shopify. So continuing down on the left, we'll go into the campaigns tab, and these are all the campaigns that we have running for our Shopify store. So we have our Google Shopping campaign, we have organic marketing that we're doing, we have email marketing, Google Shopping, and a few different areas where we have some marketing campaigns. So these are essentially all the offline sources, all the off-site sources where sales would be coming in from. And you can choose any of these channels. From here, they give you some information on the marketing efforts. You can add different columns to this report by just toggling them over here. And you can look at specific attribution models by clicking this drop down over here. So let's say we wanted to take a look at our Google Shopping channel. This will give us a breakdown of the sales and orders that have come in from that, and some details about the customers and customer trends and order trends for this specific campaign. We look up here, this is the name of the source, and here's the channel and the campaign that is specific in this channel. And this will give us all the details that we need. The other tab over here on the left is the automations. So we can create automations directly from Shopify with specific channels or specific apps installed on the store. So each channel, each app specific to marketing may come with different automations or different things that you can do with them. So up here we have some specs about the automations. So here are the results, any sales that came in, any orders that came in from these automations. Here are the active automations that are running. Here are the notes for that automation and any sessions. This is essentially a breakdown of this information up here. Shopify also has a section over here with suggested automations, and these are turnkey automations. So you can just click turn on and they will automatically add them to your store, and these will show based off of, again, which apps or which sales channels you have enabled on your store. And here is some information about how to incorporate some marketing tactics on your store. You can also click the Create Automation button over here, and you can select from these pre-built automations. It will show you down here in the bottom right which apps are using and creating these automations, or you can choose this third-party automations and create an automation using third-party apps, which would be available over here. But that's the marketing tab as a whole. We always encourage you to experiment with marketing for your store and look at different ways that you can help build and grow your audience.